Hey, good afternoon. Chester Axley here with Hotjet TV. Beautiful day here in Salt Lake City, Utah. We got a jetter class here from customers all around North America. Proud to say, I'm here with Mr. Dan Peterson out of Del Rio, Texas.
Hello, Chester.
What'd you buy, Dan?
I bought a hot water jetter. I'm excited. Diesel.
Nice. Diesel?
Yes, sir.
The Kubota diesel?
Yes.
What made you pick hot water?
Well, you know, we've had a cold water jetter, and we've had a lot of challenges. Shouldn't mention names, but but I won't. I'll be nice. But we were recommended to Powerline, and we've been investigating it, researching it, and it looks like we made the right choice. We're excited.
Excellent. Excellent. You're doing residential, commercial?
Residential, plumbing. That's all we focus on is residential. So we're going to be the only folks in our marketplace that would have a hot water jetter. So that's what we're excited about too. It's a great opportunity for high margins. You know, there's not a lot of equipment cost, and our guys, it's a great service. And in our market, nobody's had any jetting done. So we've got really just thousands and thousands of existing homes that need this service. So our goal is to go out there and get it.
Yeah, we're excited for you. Have you been introduced to our Total C?
Yes, we have. We haven't kicked it off like I wanted to, but that's what we're here for. We're going to learn all we can about it. Go back. We got the products just came in, and we're going to kick it off.
Excellent. I see you brought some of your techs. Let's go say hi. Who'd you bring out with you, Dan?
I've got this is Adolfo.
Adolfo.
How you doing?
Hotjet TV. Welcome.
Thank you. Gotta go.
And what you got here?
This is Robert De La Garza.
Roberto.
He's one of our HVAC technicians.
Welcome. You're on Hotjet TV.
And this is Domito. He's
Domito.
Production manager.
Welcome. You guys are on Hotjet TV. Glad you came out to the class.
Thank you, sir.
Excited?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You guys ran a jetter before?
Yes, sir.
You're the tech.
Yes.
You're the tech. Adolfo's running it?
Yes. Well, he's also a licensed journeyman plumber, so he's learning it so we can train all of our installation crews. And then Robert is a HVAC tech, but he sells jetter jobs every day. So,
excellent.
So he's here to see the excitement and how much it's going to change the way we approach our customers, because this is something that nobody has in our market. So I wanted him to get him excited and get him inspired so he can go back and do what he's good at.
Excellent. And we're going to pitch you. This is Del Rio Comfort Tech Service Now out of Del Rio, Texas.
That's right.
Whatever you cover. What do you cover?
We got plumber now, power now, and service now. So we do plumbing, electrical, and HVAC, and we are in Del Rio, Texas, and we cover Uvalde, Eagle Pass, kind of all of West Texas, about a 90-mile radius. So we have access to about 150 population. And so we're excited.
Excellent. This is Dan with Del Rio Tech. Chester with Hotjet TV. We'll be back.